Alright guys, welcome to After Work Cooking with Mr. G. Now, I didn't have a lot of time today to cook because I've been working all day, so what are we doing today? We are doing barbecued chicken. So I just got this grill from the OSCE ambassador. Bruce, you're awesome. Thank you for this. So I can barbecue now because in Bosnia there's not a lot of gas grills, so this was a challenge. Moving on to today's cooking lesson. My grill has some hot spots and some low spots, so we got some charbroiled action going on here where I overcook those slightly too quickly. But we're doing spicy chicken wings for the grown-ups. So we got a sauce here with sriracha. You need a rag, baby G? Here's a rag. We got some ghost pepper mustard. We got sriracha. We got sweet chili sauce. And we just got chili peppers in there. And then on the drumsticks, we're doing just like some salt and some pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. So nothing too fancy. With chicken, guys, you're gonna make sure that you get it hot enough because this stuff will give you salmonella if you don't cook it right. And Mrs. G can vouch because I've given her food poisoning in my younger days. So these guys got a little charbroiled because we had some fat on our grill that I didn't clean, so we had some serious flames. These guys not getting enough heat where they're at in the grill because we got a cold spot. That guy, well, I was talking to you guys and we went full crispy chicken on that guy. So yeah, you got to know your grill. This grill is new to me, so I'm still figuring out where the hot spots and the cold spots are. But you got to make sure with chicken, especially on the bone, that you cook it a little longer than you think, because sometimes the bits by the bone will still be pink and undercooked. So I like my steaks rare and not, I like to cook them on low heat for a long time and not overcook them. I like them medium rare. But with chicken, we go for a little bit more on the well done side. So let's finish these up. We'll plate them. And you guys can see barbecue chicken today. Yeah, I got crazy hair today. It's been a long day. It's a work day. But you guys said you wanted cooking videos, so you get grilling with G. Another pro tip, always save your marinade. Now, if I had been smart, I would have marinated these overnight, but I didn't have time. So as we turn stuff over, we're going to re-glaze those chicken wings with our spicy hot sauce so they're extra hot. These ones are for the baby G and the younger G, so we don't burn their tongues out with too much spicy spice. These guys are probably done. Let's put them on the top rack. Yeah, that guy's, well, a little more than done. Well, yeah, it's not my best work, but we got to start somewhere today. Now, another good tip when you're grilling is if you're grilling something thick, like a steak, or a piece of chicken with some bone inside, you just close the grill. It's going to up your core temperature of your grill. And that way, even though, it may not be, we don't want it in the flame getting charbroiled like we saw earlier, but it will make sure that the inside of your meat gets to be a high enough temperature. It'll kill any germs in there and make sure that even if it looks maybe a little bit pink on the inside, that you did get that core temperature up and it is cooked and be safe to eat. So we're jacking our temperature up just a bit right now. Alright guys, nothing fancy, but some barbecue chicken. We got the spicy hot wings, and it's nearly time for dinner. Always remember, turn off your gas. Clean your grill while it's still a little bit warm and it's easy to clean. And don't forget to turn off your tank because that'll waste gas if you leave that thing on when you're done. I'm gonna go do dad stuff, Mr. G out.